Are you or your kids planning on going to college here soon? Are they in high school, maybe in middle school, and you're thinking about college and what they're going to do and where they're going to go? Well, this may come as a shock to you, but my advice, don't go. Don't go to college. Oh, but Gen X guy, it's all about the experience, man. It's all about the network. It's about having the time of your life, your best times. And yeah, that's probably true. That was then, this is now. The game has changed. It's not what it used to be. And I'm about to tell you why. So, I have a daughter. She's got a full ride scholarship to play golf. And was getting a degree in data analytics. And well, when she was going to the school, this is just 2-3 years ago, that was a great idea. Well, now that's not a great idea anymore. Getting a degree in data analytics is dead, because AI can analyze data better than any human can. Faster, quicker, better, you name it, way better. So you're wasting your time. And so, look, a lot of people are going to say what I'm saying. They're going to tell you, oh, you got to go get your degree and all that. And I'm going to give you an example of why, what I'm seeing. So we were at a band banquet for my youngest daughter. And we were sitting in there. It's about 18 seniors, I guess, in the band, something like that, 18 to 20. And when they went up there, they were telling them what, they're going to so-and-so University of Tennessee to get a major in this, or they're going to the, Alabama to get this, or they're going to Purdue to get that. And about half of them were electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and computer science. So only like 1 or 2 computer science. And then there was a data analytics kid. Well, the family that was sitting next to us, we see them a good bit, and they know I'm in tech and understand this stuff pretty well, and they know that our daughter, our oldest, was getting a degree in data analytics. Well, my daughter's not in college anymore. She left. I think she's going to be the smart one. She got out and gave up her full ride scholarship, if you can believe that. Crazy, isn't it? Well, so we're sitting there, and they read this name off, and it says, hey, getting a degree from so-and-so university in data analytics. And the wife over next to my wife leans over and she goes, don't get that degree, because their son was going to get a degree in data analytics. And when they were talking to me, my daughter was getting a degree in that as well. So with all of this change of tech that we've had here in a short period of time, which is nothing short of phenomenal, the game has changed. It's not the same anymore. 3 years ago, going and getting a full ride scholarship to play golf and getting a degree in data analytics sounded like the coolest thing in the world. How could you go wrong, right? You even if you don't play golf, which if you're not in the top 50 golfer in the world, you're pretty much not going to make any money. And my daughter didn't want to live that lifestyle. She didn't want to chase that being a pro golfer. Didn't interest her. So anyway, so things have changed, and that's probably a story for another time. But anyway, a lot of these kids are getting degrees in these engineering fields. Well, here's the thing, folks. Just imagine if you could take all of these, say, electrical engineering textbooks, or all the computer science textbooks, or all of the mechanical engineering, civil engineering. Just you pick your tech degree of choice, or engineering degree of choice. Here's the problem. AI has already consumed all that information. It already knows it. So what are you going to do with that? And what are you going to do with it that AI can't do way better? Right? Pretty soon you're going to be able to just vibe engineer, like we vibe code right now. For those of you who don't know what vibe coding is, basically, telling AI what you want it to code, and it doesn't. You don't even have to look at the code. Well, why is engineering any different? Why is mechanical engineering any different? AI, all the books that have ever been written on any of these engineering technical fields, it's already consumed all that information. So why do you need to have all these engineers? You still need a couple, but that kind of know what the inputs are and what the outputs are going to be. Why do you need to have all these whole team of engineers when you can basically AI can design it is just as good or even better, and actually more safe than what any human could do. So yeah, things have changed. If you've got kids right now that are in high school, middle school, and you're sitting here wondering What am I gonna? Where are my kids gonna go? What are they gonna do? You need to think of something else. You need to think about skills, things that you can do that connect with people, that are real skills that you have to have. And those are going to be the ones that last the longest. Not saying they'll never be replaced. They'll just, the delay, it'll be a much further down the process. But if you're looking to get a degree in computer science, data analytics, engineering, any kind of marketing, any of that, web design, development, you're toast. You're cooked. It's over with. You need to be learning how to basically be an entrepreneur using AI tools. So that's where we are right now, folks. The playing field has changed. It's not the same. And I could tell you right now, I have told probably a handful of people in the past week or two that have talked to me about it, and I said, don't go to school. Use that time, use those 4 years, and use all that money, use that, 200,000, 200,000, whatever the number is to go to college. Use that money to invest in yourself rather than handing it over to a large institution that is going to basically piecemeal you the information. The speed in which you can gather information using AI and have it work for you is insane. A college degree will never, and going to college will never compete. So here's the deal. My oldest daughter said, you know what? I'm going all in on AI, and I'm going all in on tech, and I'm going all in on tech certifications, and I'm not going to college anymore. And I said, you know what? That's exactly what you should do. And that's exactly what she's doing. So she's already got 3 certifications in a very short period of time. And she's got more coming. And she's working on a project right now that's absolutely unbelievable. She came up with a concept, and she's in build mode right now. And let me tell you something. If this thing just gets even a little bit of legs, it's going to be massive. And so, and I don't know if you guys are hearing this or not. I am. I'm seeing stories about it all over the place. But young people are becoming millionaires because they're learning how to use these tools. They're learning how to use AI, and they're learning how to take their knowledge and skill set and take AI and apply it to it. So think about that. If you're having these discussions with your spouse or your kids and you're wondering, what are we going to do? What's the play? What's the future? Think about that for a minute and just going to get a college degree. I mean, the amount of money that these parents are paying to go to college, to send their kids to these major SEC schools, these big institutions, is unbelievable. And we just said we've opted out. You don't have to have a college degree to be awesome. Matter of fact, the most successful people I know, they don't have college degrees. But what they do have is grit, determination, motivation, never die, never quit. That is what wins at the end of the day. Every day that passes, people care less about what your diploma, what so-and-so university you have. I know this is an unpopular take, and if you've got, and I want to hear it in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are. Hit them down below. Let me know. What's your plan? Are you got kids in high school and middle school? You coming up through the ranks? What are you guys doing? What's your play? Because I can tell you right now, my youngest daughter, she is not going to college. She actually wants to do cosmetology, which is about 10 months. That's okay. That's doable. Being a real estate agent, that it doesn't consume your 4 or 5 years of your life in a college, and it costs you $200,000 to get a piece of paper that says, yeah, I did marketing and I'm not going to find a job, and I'm going to be ending up living with my parents anyway with all this college debt potentially. So be smart. There is a path for everyone out there, but nobody's going to give it to you. You have to go get it. You have to be smart. And my oldest daughter right now is doing it right. She really is. She's digging in. She's getting the grit. She's figuring out. And this thing that she's working on is going to be awesome. So anyway, that's the video for the day, guys. Hey, if you want to talk more about this, you've got kids, your family, and you've got this college thing going on, and you want to talk to me about, get some feedback, advice, or bounce some ideas off me, you can do that. Go to genxguy.com. You can see my calendar out there. You can schedule a 50-minute call for me or multiple calls. I'd be glad to get to know you, bounce some ideas off of you, tell me what you're thinking. Yeah, I've been around a long time. I've done a lot of things, and I've been very successful in my life, thank goodness. But it didn't come because somebody handed it to me. I had to work for it to get it. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested, hit me up on genxguy.com. That's the video for the day. Gen X Guy out. See you.